We're here in where?
Airport.
We're in airport.
I don't know.
South, I don't know. Hello.
Hello.
What's up? We're here in where?
Airport. Going to that.
Going to Belfast. Later na lang.
We're on our way to Belfast to see my uncle, Johnny, because it's my first time here around there, and more about but what's that? What's that? This I'm with Sarah, Geronimo, and then my uncle Noel. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you should wander around like shop and all
Inside the toilet.
yeah, that's the toilet.
Waiting for him. Yeah.
That's Noel. Yeah.
Say something.
Say. Yeah. I don't know what to say anymore. No comment.
Yes, Noel, yes. Yes, you may come with me. Say something, Sarah, to the airport of Belfast.
Waiting for.
No, I mean this is EasyJet. But,
Waiting for.
yeah, departure, huh? This is where this is what it looks like. This is the shoe shop. This is the airport looks like from Gatwick, South Gatwick, right? This is Sarah Geronimo once again. I think she's going to sing now, like the national anthem for the Philippines. Can you sing? Come on, say something. I'm going to post it in YouTube. You're gonna see yourself. You're gonna see yourself tomorrow. Sarah, yeah, that is. We're already on our way to the airplane to Belfast. Yeah, we're boarding now. Yeah, and this is me. This is Louis. Yeah, I'm Louis. Yeah. Once again, we're still just arrived.
Waistline makes my soul just move. From your high heel game, high heel push up that class name, and you're living in the fast lane.